Our task to him was come pour into them to help move them from good to greatness. And he did an amazing job.
When he was talking about the situation he was going through, it really hit my heart because he was saying a lot of things that meant things to different people, but it mattered to me the most because some of the things he was saying, I went through those same things.
Because of the pain I experienced in high school, because of the things I went through, because I was an individual who was seeking low-key revenge. Everybody say revenge. Revenge. Because I was seeking revenge, I was crashing out.
Duane Cowles was very motivational.
Very motivational, very inspirational.
I felt it. I felt the message.
He was funny at times, relatable. He was talking about his own life, his own experiences, and then relating it to how it could translate for us as the youth. One takeaway that I got from today was to not wait to be great. One of his main talking points was, a lot of us are good now, but we could be great in the future. And if we just put in the work and the time and the effort to change ourselves to be better, do small little things, we could be great. But don't wait to be great. Don't wait until something happens. Do it now, make that change.
I recommend him for all of the above. He's a very good man, and I think y'all should go check him out.
Very relatable, and he makes his point in a very intriguing way.
Yeah, highly recommend him. He's been doing this is the 3rd year that we've had our camp. We've had him every year, and as long as I'm part of it, he'll be back. But I highly recommend him to come and be part of your youth programs that can help move your kids to greatness.